In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create to-do list in Gemini AI Google Tasks. We're going to keep this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know how to open your Gemini account, use the Google Tasks option inside Gemini, and add a to-do using a natural sentence like, "Remind me to attend meeting tomorrow, 3 p.m." Gemini will take it from there and create the task for you. First, open your Gemini account. You can do this in your browser or in the Gemini app, depending on what you use. Sign in with your Google account so Gemini can connect to your Google services. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. A quick note here. Features can vary by region or account type, so what you see on screen might look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Once you're in Gemini, look for the Google Tasks option. This is the connection that lets Gemini add items directly to your to-do list. If you see a prompt to allow access, confirm it so Gemini can create tasks on your behalf. Think of this as turning on a light switch. Once it's on, you don't have to touch it again, and Gemini can do the heavy lifting whenever you ask. Now you're ready to add your to-do with natural language. In the message box, type exactly what you want. Remind me to attend meeting tomorrow 3 p.m. You can also say it out loud if you're using voice input. Keep your wording clear and concise. Using phrases like tomorrow at 3 p.m. GBEA or next Monday at 9 a.m. works well because Gemini understands common date and time expressions. If your schedule spans different time zones, remember that tomorrow at 3 p.m. uses your current time zone unless you specify otherwise. After you send the request, Gemini will create the task for you in Google Tasks and show a confirmation on screen. You should see the task title and the due time reflected in the response. If anything looks off, maybe the time isn't what you intended, just reply with a quick correction, like, make it 4 p.m. instead, and Gemini will update it. You can also refine the wording to include a brief note, such as add bring presentation to the task, and Gemini will attach that detail so you don't forget the essentials. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, enable the Google Tasks connection, tell Gemini, remind me to attend a meeting tomorrow 3 p.m., and Gemini will do the task for you. Keep using the same natural phrasing for the rest of your to-dos and you'll have a clean, organized list built in seconds.